Students, today in this session of social we are going to continue with the revision. In previous session we have already started revision. We have completed fill in the blanks of 3 chapters. Now we will start with true or false. State whether the statement is true or false. First one, it's very difficult to know the history. Students, this statement is false because it's not difficult to know the history from the sources, different sources related to the past, right? Like inscriptions, coins, newspaper, articles. From different sources, we can easily find out the history. So this statement is false. The writing of inscriptions are found in Patan. No, students, in Patan, that is in Hemachandra Acharya library, we found many Tamrapatras, Tadpatras and Bhojpatras, not inscriptions. Okay, so this statement is false. The writing carved on stones or metal are inscriptions. Yes, students, this statement is true. The writing that are carved on stones or metal are inscriptions. We know the exact date and time of ancient history by carbon dating system. Now students, carbon dating system is kind of instrument to know the time or exact date, right? As we have instrument for identifying or for knowing temperature, for knowing the directions, right? Directions for north, south, east, west, for that direction also we have instrument. In the same way, for date and time also one instrument is that is carbon dating system. So this statement is also true. Scripts written before many years were destroyed due to earthquake. No, students, the insect have destroyed the scripts, not by earthquake. Okay, the ancient vessels of clay, weapons of stones and ornaments found out during excavation are very useful in knowing the eating habits of people of that period. Students, false. Why? From vessels of clay, from weapons, from stones, or from ornaments, we cannot know the food habit, right? Food habit we can know with the pulses that we get, with the crops that we get, right? So this statement is also false. Archives are the place where inscriptions were preserved. Yes, students, in archives the inscriptions were preserved. So this statement is true. Many astronauts have taken photograph of sun from the space. No, students, it's false. They have taken photograph of moon and some even have taken photograph of earth, but not of sun. Okay, so this statement is false. Meteoroids heat up and bump due to friction. Yes, students, due to friction in the means on the surface, right? Due to the friction or due to the gravitational force, the meteoroids, that is meteors, right? That is stones. Meteoroids are small stones. They heat up. So this statement is true. Venus is similar to Jupiter in shape and size. Students, this we have already learned, right? Venus is a twin brother of Earth. It is similar with Earth, not with Jupiter. So this statement is false. The pole star is known to have a fixed position in the sky. Students, this statement is true. As I told you that pole star, you can easily see pole star in the northern direction as it has a fixed position. Okay, Pluto was declared as a dwarf planet in August 2006. Yes, student, this statement is true. In August 2006, they have declared Pluto as a dwarf planet, as we cannot see it. Now it's invisible planet. Okay. The Earth is the third largest planet in solar system. No, students, this statement is false. India has 25 official languages. No, students, this statement is also false. Official languages are not 25. There are about 400 spoken language in India. Of course, the population is more, people are like, it's overpopulated country, right? So that is why the languages are 400 languages. So this statement is also true. Hindi is a direct descendant of Sanskrit. Yes, Sanskrit language, Hindi language is quite similar to Sanskrit language, as it is direct copy of a Sanskrit language, means it is written from a Sanskrit language. Diversity means unity. No, students, this statement is completely false, because diversity means differences. Each and every individual is unique in their own way, right? So this is false. Diversity means changes, diversity means variation. Okay, students, in this way we have completed true or false. In next session we are going to continue with the revision. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe.